Hey guys, Paulo here, bringing you another piece of interesting tech to check out today. These are the RayNeo Air 2 AR glasses. I picked these up because I was going on a long trip and decided I want to carry something that can project a giant screen while I'm on the plane without disrupting others, and I thought, let me check out these latest AR glasses. And I've decided to take it with me on this long trip, and I'm going to go over what I thought about these things and what I'm gonna do with them in the end. I'm gonna keep them, I'm gonna let them go. Stick around because this is something that really caught my eye, and this may be an interesting item for a lot of you out there looking for a portable solution yet private enough for you to do all your work without disrupting others around you. Let's check out the RayNeo Air 2 AR glasses. RayNeo, a subsidiary of TCL, has been at the forefront of AR and XR technology, bringing innovative consumer wearable glasses to the market. Their mission is to create immersive audiovisual experiences that transform how we interact with digital content. From the sleek design to the cutting-edge technology packed into their glasses, RayNeo aims to make AR accessible and enjoyable for everyone. RayNeo's specialty lies in combining advanced optics and display technologies with user-friendly designs. Their glasses also feature high-resolution micro OLED displays offering crystal-clear visuals and vibrant colors. With a focus on seamless integration, RayNeo glasses support various devices and applications, making them versatile for both entertainment and productivity. One of the standout features of RayNeo products is their emphasis on accessibility. They strive to offer high-quality AR experiences at competitive prices, ensuring that more people can enjoy the benefits of augmented reality. Whether you're using the glasses for gaming, watching movies, or enhancing your productivity, RayNeo provides a reliable and innovative solution. Now, I've already unboxed this, but to give a quick glance on the box, it's quite minimal and simple with the glasses nicely secure inside. Primary accessories include the soft pouch, which has a divider inside for both the glasses and an included angled USB-C cable. Also included in the box, there's a pair of clear lenses included, which can be fitted with prescription lenses if needed. However, it's worth noting that there's no diopter adjustment, so something to keep in mind if you wear prescription glasses. Then you've got the RayNeo sunglasses themselves. Overall, they look like regular pair of high-end glasses with a lot of tech packed inside. One thing that stands out is the build quality. The frame feels sturdy and the arms are surprisingly flexible with 9 adjustable angles, making them comfortable to wear for various head sizes. Inside, you've got a pair of Sony Micro LED screens with each eye being projected a 1080p picture, which really looks vivid and crisp once you put them on. On each stem, you've got the brightness toggle switches on the right, which also enables or disables the 120Hz mode, and the volume switch on the left, which also toggles the whisper mode. To save on longevity, there is a proximity sensor located just above the nose bridge, which automatically turns the displays off if they're not being used. First off, the setup process is incredibly straightforward. In the box, you'll find the USB-C cable designed specifically for these glasses. Simply connect one end to the glasses and the other end to your laptop and you're good to go. Even if you misplace the included USB-C cable, you can use any USB-C cable you have on hand. This flexibility is a huge plus, especially for someone who tends to lose their cables often. Once connected, the glasses immediately project a stunning large display from your laptop, offering an immersive experience. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or working, the RayNeo Air 2 glasses enhance your viewing experience effortlessly. One thing is that although they are considered AR glasses, the image itself do follow you where you face, so something to keep in mind if you're literally looking for a true AR experience. Now, the glasses have a unique design where the bottom third or even almost the bottom half is transparent. This allows you to see the real world below the virtual screens, so you're not completely cut off from your surroundings. It's handy for when you need to look at your keyboard, read a script, or even just to grab a drink without taking your glasses off. Overall, the RayNeo Air 2 AR glasses provide a compelling option for anyone looking to explore augmented reality without breaking the bank. With a user-friendly setup, robust tech spec, and a futuristic design, they're definitely worth considering. For me though, I've decided to return it due to the fact that Amazon had a sale right after I received my unit, so now I am compelled to return it, and once I do, I'll decide then if I really miss these bad boys or not, and if I do, I'll simply purchase them at the sale price. Hey, thanks for watching. What do you think about these AR glasses projecting anything you want on a 201-inch screen? Let me know what you think. Hit that like and subscribe to support the channel. We've got tons more really cool stuff coming, and I really appreciate all the support that you've done up to this point. Till next time, see ya.